Hello guys, welcome to We Spotted. Today we're in Greece, we're at Benitses Marina. Just want to show you a little bit around. I've seen some nice yachts. I don't know if I'm allowed to film or not. Look, a nice golf convertible here. So many boats. Look at this one. This is amazing. Watch this. I'm not very good at boats, but it looks incredible. Tequila. Awesome. How much do you reckon is one of these? We're just gonna have a walk around. Have small boats as well. Here is a view for you. So yeah, I'm in Corfu, Greece now. I love these boats. I've seen a really interesting one. That's nice. It's like, look how it is. It is like, see, water is in the middle and basically it's on. I don't even know how to explain this. Yeah, I'm having a nice walk between the boats. It's lovely. It's our last day in Corfu, so I was thinking to film something for you. This is my favorite. This is really good. I think people are living on these boats. I'm not sure. And this is amazing. And this. Oh, one at the end here. Like it has a bar and everything. So good. Watch this. And here is the end of the path. I'm gonna go back now. And I'm gonna try to film on the other side as well. Apparently this boat is for rent. I wonder how much it will be to rent one of these boats. This is my favorite boat here. I decided. I like all of them, but this is my favorite. But some small ones as well. I really seen two interesting cars. Let's go and have a look. I've seen around lots of these Jeep Wranglers. And this is M50D, I think, X5. Oh, it's on British plates. And an IC34 here. So this is the parking for smaller boats. Look, what car is this? I have never seen one of this in England. Looks like a Fiat to me. Or this, a little one. Oh, but this boat, a woody one. This looks so good. Let's have a look, have a walk around here as well. It's so warm. I'm sweating already. This one is just parked up here. Let's see. So basically we've been there and we walk all the way around here. Yeah. Right guys, that's it from Marina Benitze. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna make another video in town. Make sure you follow. I wanna show you quickly Opel Kadett. I haven't seen one of these in ages. And also if I cross the road, I cross quickly the road, is this van, Mitsubishi. What kind of Mitsubishi is this? First time seeing one. Can be a Mitsubishi Delica, but I'm not sure.